How are you? Would you like to sit or you would take a stand?
Would you give me a mic or I'm supposed to talk on yours?
I'm so sorry. I'm so
It's
sorry.
okay.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That's very ungentlemanly of me. Yeah. You want to sit? Are you okay standing?
If you want me to come on your height level, then I can sit.
Or I can take a chair and stand. You can do the same thing.
Yeah, sure.
No. But come. I just want to ask you some few fun-filled questions, all in fun and jest. I don't know whether you heard me, but I happen to be a stand-up comic.
Oh, really?
Yeah?
How nice is that?
Yeah.
Sorry, if you don't mind me asking, how old are you?
I'm 48.
48?
Yeah, 48.
Isn't that a little too old for a stand-up comic? I mean, somebody please get a chair, yeah, for him. Should I get that for you?
For me to sit down or for me to stand?
Yeah, I mean, stand-up comic at 48, I mean, don't you get tired?
I do get tired, but it's audiences like these and people who I host like you which keep me alive. Backstage was so much fun, but anyway, we'll talk about that some other. But, and listen, let me do the jokes here. I am the comedian. Don't roast me. I'm supposed to sort of roast you.
You're supposed to roast me.
No, not really roast you. Just talk to you. Just have some fun with you, yeah. I read you're an engineer. I mean, we
Yes,
just
I am,
introduced.
yeah.
You have a degree in electronics and communication.
Yeah,
Wow. When did you pass out?
2011.
Okay. I'm also an engineer. See, we have so much in common. And I passed out in 1989.
89.
Yeah.
I think I was just born then.
Seriously?
Yeah.
And just let's stop making these old references. They already know I'm old. Just stop it, But from an engineer to an actor, how did that happen? I'm sure you got this before.
Oh my God, I've answered this question like some 500 times since the time I've come to this industry. But 1 second, what do you mean engineer to actor? How did it happen? Though, if you can become a stand-up comedian after doing BTech, I can't become an actor. I mean, at least I'm doing better in my life, Am I?
Stop roasting me. Please stop roasting
Am I doing
me.
better in my life?
Yeah, I
Do you
think
agree?
she
Yeah.
deserves an applause for that answer. Are you guys,
जबरदस्ती ताली
are
बजाने
you
को
guys
क्यों बोल
dead or
रहे हो
something?
यार?
Can you get some more energy? We're having a fun thing here. Actually, you want leave the camera. Sir, stop the camera on the phone, sir. Stand-up comedy events are very much like sex, best enjoyed live. Most guys, when they check out women, obviously go for the obvious things like the big soft eyes or the inner beauty. Let me ask you, when you check out men, what do you look at?
Big soft eyes and inner beauty.
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah, absolutely.
Firstly, you tell me how do you check out inner beauty? I want to know that.
See, most of us guys have X-ray visions.
I'm
See, all the
really
guys are
scared
laughing.
if you have that right now.
But tell me seriously, what do you check out when you look at a guy? I mean, what do you?
Firstly, height.
Obviously.
आधे तो लड़के वैसे ही डिस्क्वालीफाई हो जाते हैं जब हाइट कम होती है.
हाँ जी.
और eyes, actually eyelashes.
Seriously, why eyelashes?
I don't know. I just have this thing for eyelashes.
So
And I like guys with pretty eyelashes.
So guys, stop going to the gym. Go to a beauty parlor.
And
Use
there are a
some
lot of other things. I mean, you can actually see what all I'm checking out in all these. Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're checking out guys here.
Girls
very-
will be girls, no?
Yeah, that's me in that white trousers there, but that's okay.
No, it was shot recently, not like 50 years back.
Oh yeah, sorry. But tell me. Stop roasting me again. What's your survival mantra for girls who often feel pressurized to behave in the way that society wants them to? A beautiful, deep question.
Can you repeat that?
What is your survival mantra for girls who often feel pressurized to behave in the way that society wants them to?
What do you mean by survival mantra? I mean, am I like this endangered species that I'm going to die and there's not going to be another girl in the world that I have to survive? You have to survive.
Yeah, I'm married.
You have to survive in this world.
Yeah, I'm married. I have to
So I'm
survive
not
for my
even
wife.
married.
Huh?
I'm not even married.
I know that.
Firstly, that question only kind of answered
Yeah,
the thing.
actually, yeah,
Why survival? Secondly, as far as pressurized, I don't set rules for you. I don't set rules for people. So then I don't expect people to set rules for me. And I think if girls just start questioning from the basic level, whatever you're asked not to do, just ask why not. I think half the problem, half the things will start getting cleared from there.
That makes really good sense. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause for that lovely answer. Okay, last question. Do you watch Game of Thrones?
Yeah, sometimes.
Which character do you like, Arya Stark or Sansa Stark? Oh, just before that, people who don't know Game of Thrones, it's like an epic just like the Mahabharata. It's actually more of Mahabharata and Kama Sutra combined, just for people. So yes.
Which characters did you say? Sorry.
Sorry. But which character do you like, Arya Stark or Sansa Stark?
Actually, none of them. I really like Khaleesi.
My
I
favorite
think
too.
she's confident, she's smart, she was actually mistaken earlier, and then
Oh,
she's
yeah? Yeah?
turned her whole life, and she's emerged out as someone who's breaking through, and she's conquering 7 kingdoms and looking like $1,000,000, yeah.
Absolutely.
And yes, she has the dragons.
Oh yes, we
So,
forgot
yeah.
the dragons. We forgot the dragons. And now quickly, very quickly, quick questions. I want your top of the mind answers. Ready for it? Okay.
Is that like a rapid fire?
Yeah, sort of.
Do you all
Yeah,
have like a
but
hamper?
I don't want to use Karan Johar's word, so it's my rapid thing. Sneakers or stilettos?
Actually, chappals, but if you ask out of them, sneakers. I don't need stilettos. If I can go back to my sneakers right now, it'll be great.
Okay.
I'll
And
also come to your, a little above your level.
Yeah, absolutely. We know that. Stop roasting me again. Online shopping or shopping in malls, Kriti?
Both, yeah. Shopping. And are you giving me a card? It doesn't matter then.
No, I'm not giving. I'm a Sindhi. I don't give my card.
Oh, Sindhis don't give their cards?
Don't give. We don't have a card only here. I use my mother-in-law's card every time. Okay, minis or maxis? Since we're a fashion show, minis or maxis?
Minis. I've got good legs, so I can flaunt them.
Of course.
I'm completely being immodest here.
Yeah, you have to be. Let your guard down. Fashion for you in one word?
One word.
Just one word.
If I can use 2.
Yeah, please.
Constantly changing. I think it's never the same.
Absolutely. Yeah,
Yeah.
you're right. I think the crowd is just mesmerized looking at you. So
No,
we can have
I
some
think
round of
you
applause.
need to just get better at your job, probably.
Yeah, actually, yeah. Shit, yeah. Candlelight dinner with someone special or girls' night out?
Candlelight dinner with someone special or girls' night out? Night out with the candlelight dinner boy.
Well, I don't think I'll sleep tonight thinking of the answer. Your fashion fetish, Kriti.
Well, it's actually, any number of clothes are not enough. I think, especially for girls. I'm sure a lot of them will agree. But recently, I think I have a fetish for sunglasses.
Wow.
Yeah, I am realizing it slowly.
Okay, very good. Kala Chashma, obviously. Men in suits or guys in jeans?
I think he should be
I'm
able
wearing a
to-
suit. Just really.
Guys in jeans.
And last question. Very cliched. Are you good with directions?
Are you good with directions?
Yeah.
No, I'm not, but I'm an engineer and I'm superb with technology and I have Google Maps, so yeah.
That's a lovely answer. Ladies and gentlemen, round of applause to Kriti. Thank you, Kriti. Thank you so much. That was over.
Thank
and
you.
I think
Thank you
you
so
won.
much.
You took me down very, very nicely. And just to finish off the event and to get on to straight on to the press conference, the question and answers, may I please introduce on stage Anjana Reddy. Round of applause, ladies, guys. Anjana Reddy, keep the volume low, is a 28-year-old behind the